Yo, what's up, fam? It's King David, and Nvidia just hit $170, smashing Morgan Stanley's price target. But this isn't just a technical bounce, it's the return of China, the rise of new AI hardware, and some of the biggest Wall Street firms giving Nvidia a massive green light. Let's break down what's happening and where this stock could go next. So in the pre-market, Nvidia actually went up 5% after confirming it will resume H20 GPU sales to China. Yes, you can find all of this information, my friends, in Seeking Alpha. This is the news source that I actually use, guys. And Nvidia doing phenomenal, guys. But anyways, chips that were halted earlier this year due to US export restrictions. The US government has now assured licenses will be granted, and Nvidia says it could start shipping again soon. Wall Street analysts are calling this a watershed moment. China was roughly 50 to 20% of Nvidia's revenue that had dropped to 10% due to the ban. Now sales are expected to recover $10 billion in revenue, guys. Nvidia just reached Morgan Stanley's $170 target, but we got some other targets above, guys. Bank of America has a target of $180, and we got Loop Capital above at $250. From where we are, this could be a 48% push or $81 to the upside. And Wedbush called it, this is the new oil, and Nvidia holds the keys. So Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is on another level. Met with President Trump to support onshoring and AI jobs in the US. Met with Chinese officials to support safe AI development globally. Launched RTX PRO, a new chip for smart factories and logistics. He's managing Washington, Beijing, and Wall Street, all while growing revenue and inventing new chips. The bigger picture, the AI revolution, guys. This isn't just about chips, it's about controlling the next computing era. According to analysts, China may shrink in importance, but AI demand globally is exploding. Nvidia is powering cloud buildouts, data centers, automation, robotics, and smart infrastructure. Evercore estimates 13.30 in EPS powered by 2030. Cloud CapEx is growing 50% plus this year, and Blackwell chips are in massive demand for 2025 and 2026. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are long on Nvidia, this is great confirmation. If you missed the rally, it's not too late, but you must have a long-term mindset. Volatility will come, but Nvidia is now the AI infrastructure king. Also, keep an eye on AMD, MU, TSM, AVGO, all move higher on this news. AMD just went up 7.3%, and we talked about it since we got this two-pole oscillator buy over here at 78, already at 150s. Okay, guys? So, what do you think? Is Nvidia going to 180, or will it reach $250 as Loop Capital has said? Smash that like button, drop your target in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-time breakdowns like this. AI is just getting started, and we are here for it every step of the way. Peace and profits. King David is out. We do the videos con mucho amor.